Hello and welcome to this channel. We'll be making this beautiful pin cushion without a sewing machine in this tutorial. So things we'll be needing elastic, thread, needle, button, scissors, foam or cotton wool, then the material. I'll be using this scrap material. Okay, so first up we'll just make this shape. It could be circular shape. I'll just cut it around just to give it a curve depending on what you want. So I'll just make it round like that. So I'll pick up my needle and thread, pass the thread, and then sew round. But while sewing, I will make sure I leave little space. That's why I'm going to turn it like this. Okay, that's how. So I've sewn it round now, leaving that small space. You can see it. That's why I'm going to turn it out, inside out. Okay, inside out. So I'll just turn it. After turning it, I'll fill it with that foam. I'll cut it small and fill it. So I filled it in, closed up that space immediately, and it feels foamy when you touch it. So I'll pick up my needle and thread, now pass it from the middle down to the side of my material. You can adjust it just the way I'm doing it right now, just to give it that shape that I want. You can be creative with what you want. So I'll pass it from the middle down to the side till I'm comfortable with the kind of shape I have. Okay, then I'll fix in my button. That middle part, I'll fix in my button. You can see it's already looking pretty. Fix it well, make sure my button is firmly fixed. Okay, if you have any question, please do well to put it in the comment section. I'll be waiting for them. I'll be so happy to answer your questions. So this is what we have now. So I'll move to the band. I'll be using elastic for the band. Now cut my material, make it long, then I'll join it together. Okay, so I'll just fold the material into two, and then this is what I have after sewing it. Then next up, I'll just pick up my elastic using this pin. Then I'll put it in. Mind you, I've turned it inside out. Then after putting it in, I'll now sew the edges together like this using my needle and thread. So this is what I have. After that, after joining it together like this, now fix in the pin cushion and it looks so beautiful. So this is what we have. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please do well to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. Bye.